आई वॉज इम्प्रेस्ड, उनका गाना था, एक दिन बिना रिहर्सल के कर सकती हैं, 30 days शी हैज़ रिहर्स्ड। मैं भी उनको देख के ऐसा हो गया, यार ये 30 दिन कर रही हैं तो मुझको भी यार कुछ 10-12 दिन कोशिश तो कर लूँ।
She was like, मतलब छोटी छोटी डिटेल्स, जैसे उसके हाथ कैसे होने चाहिए, उसके उस चीज़ों पे फिनेस लाने की कोशिश करी थी। बिकॉज समवेयर वो बड़े बड़े मूवमेंट्स हो जाते थे, शी वुड अंडरस्टैंड द जिस्ट, द आइडिया ऑफ द कोरियोग्राफी, फिर उसको पॉलिश करना, फिर उसमें you start decorating, you start bringing the finesse.
So I got very impressed by the fact that she is so unaware of herself as an actor. I think that's the nicest quality. And she's very honest. Scene करो साथ में तो जो मुझे एक दिन लगा समझने के लिए कि no that wasn't good you did, तो अरे ये क्या बोल रही है, अरे मुझसे थोड़ा ना बोल रही है, तो she is very honest, no doesn't look as nice, the rehearsal was very good. So the honesty is the best thing an actor can have at that proximity.
Katrina plays a girl who lives in London. She is a very she has a Punjabi father. She's very British in the way she is, in the way she's been brought up. She's simplistic in terms of her clothes. She's a bit more classic. We went there and picked up clothes which would go with her look, because she is from London.
Not for once do you feel that उनको ये language नहीं पता है. Dialogues एक दिन पहले वो पढ़ती हैं, सीखती हैं, घोटती हैं, रटती हैं. So when she comes on the set, there's very little chance that you feel that अरे यार थोड़ा सा language का problem होगा. Of course accent है that she can control, but beyond that I think not once do you feel कि इनको एक दो चीज़ें जो naturally हिंदी film actor को आनी चाहिए वो नहीं आती हैं. So I hope I've done well enough that she appreciates the fact that she's worked with me as much as I appreciate the fact that I've worked with her.
Yeah. Correct. This is the best. Very nice. You did it by speaking. When he was speaking English.
मेरे फादर की जो मदर थी वो कश्मीरी थी आदि, तो उनकी एक बड़ी तमन्ना थी कि मैं कश्मीर जाऊँ. उनकी ऐसे 2-3 चीज़ें थी. उन्होंने कहा था यार रोम तो खुद चले जाना, इस्तांबुल खुद चले जाना, कश्मीर जो है सिर्फ मेरे साथ जाना. अनफॉर्चुनेटली ही डाइड बिफोर ही कुड टेक मी टू कश्मीर. सो कई बार ही चांस मिला. एक बार शायद मुझे एक छोटी सी शूटिंग का भी चांस मिला था, मैंने मना कर दिया था, मैं नहीं करूँगा. मैं आई डोंट नो, बाय नाउ आई थिंक ऐसा हो गया मुझे कि यार मे बी इट विल बी नाइस, एक बार देख तो लूँ अपने वो जगह जो मेरे फादर कहते थे इतनी खूबसूरत है. आई कैन ओनली इमोशनली से दिस अबाउट कश्मीर दैट आई फेल्ट आई वाज इन द आर्म्स, स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड ब्यूटीफुल आर्म्स ऑफ माई फादर.
The view was so stunning. Like I was like, this could be any European country. It was so beautiful, just so lush and green.
I had never been to Kashmir, and I didn't even know what the place looked like. And when I saw that entire landscape from my aircraft window, I was amazed. I'm like, my God, is this my country? Is this part of India?
It really like takes your breath away, Kashmir. Sometimes it just makes you feel like, wow, like how can a place be so beautiful? Like I've never seen a place this beautiful in this country. Maybe, like for me, I think Kashmir is the most beautiful place I've ever seen. It really is like heaven on earth.
बचपन में जब हम कश्मीर के बारे में पढ़ते थे तो वो एक फारसी का शेर है, अगर फिरदौस बरुए ज़मीन अस्त अमीन अस्त अमीन अस्त अमीन अस्त, कि अगर कहीं पर जन्नत है तो वो यहीं है.
It's not a cliche, it's true. And then the support that we got from the police and from the government there was so good. Like they were so nice to us, and our security was so well taken care of, and it's really a nice and it's a lovely place to go to.
It's a great thing that firstly it's opened up. I think as a filmmaker, it's a lovely landscape to explore. And the opportunity for us to explore it is now becoming real again, and I think we should maximize it in the best way possible.
कश्मीर में आई थिंक हर जगह, हर तरह, हर पहलू जो था वो मेहमान नवाजी का था. Whether it was the security, whether it was the food, whether it was the location, whether it was just trying to get us to one place to the other, it was fantastic. I think कश्मीरी लोगों का अपना एक वो है खुलूस की, यार हमारे यहाँ पर आए हैं तो कोई अगर दिमाग में हालात की वजह से डर है तो वो डर को जो है हम एकदम मेक श्योर कि यू नॉट वरीड अबाउट इट.
Like lots of people came on set and they have not so many films get shot over there, and because it was a Yash Chopra film and Yash ji has shot so much in Kashmir earlier, that people were just waiting for him to come. So I think it was I'm sure it must be a very very memorable and nostalgic experience for Yash ji also.
By the time I came back from Kashmir उसके 4-5 दिन के बाद I feel as a person मैं बदल गया. मुझे पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा हुआ, वो कुछ रूहानी बात है. So Kashmir has been a extremely beautiful experience for me.
ये दोस्तों वाली झप्पी नहीं चाहिए. किस करना है तो कर.
I don't give a damn what film Mr. Yash Chopra is making. To me it is कि मैं उनके साथ 70-80 दिन गुजार लूँ हर 2-4 साल के बाद, तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है ज़िंदगी जो है सफल सी हो गई.
What I like about his cinema is that with each film, it's very clear what he was trying to say. And I think that's why he is who he is, because he gets it right. Whatever he was thinking to say with the film or wanted to say, he always gets that point across loud and clear.
People always called me a Yash Chopra heroine, but I really wasn't a Yash Chopra heroine because I wasn't in a Yash Chopra film till I was offered this film. It didn't matter to me what I was going to read. I mean, because I was in a zone.
हर हीरोइन का एक ड्रीम होता है कि वो मिस्टर यश चोपड़ा की फिल्म में काम करे, साड़ी पहने, एक गाना करे. मैं जिस भी हीरोइन से मिला हूँ अभी भी, आज के वक्त की भी, सभी कहती है मेरा एक ड्रीम रह गया यार, वो यश जी के साथ एक पिक्चर करनी थी. तो आई जस्ट वांट टू से टू ऑल द हीरोइंस कि तुम्हारा ड्रीम होगा या नहीं होगा, मेरा ड्रीम यही है कि मैं यश जी के साथ बिना साड़ी पहने हर पिक्चर में काम करूँ.
नहीं, काम तो मैंने पहली बार किया, लेकिन जानता तो उन्हें था, मैं बड़े अरसे से जानता था. अब क्या है कि खुदा देर से मिलता है, इतनी आसानी से तो नहीं मिलते. और फ़कीरों को बड़ी गलियां घूमनी पड़ती हैं. रिटायर होने से पहले उन्होंने मुझे एक फिल्म का मौका दे दिया, उसके लिए मशकूर रहूँगा मैं.
हमारी एक बहुत कमाल की ट्यूनिंग है अपनी कहानी की. एक यश जी और मेरी अपनी कहानी चलती रहती है पिक्चर के अंदर. आदि बेचारा बहुत मेहनत करता रहता है स्क्रीन प्ले पे, डायलॉग्स पे, स्टोरी पे, तो मैं जो है उसके सीन्स के बड़ा सीरियसली सुन लेता हूँ जो बोलता है. फिर यश जी जो है मुझे इमोशन समझा देते हैं कि यश जी क्या करूँ मैं, कुछ नहीं यार, कुड़ी नाल प्यार कर, बस तो ठीक है, मैं प्यार कर देता हूँ मैं.
I was very petrified the first 3 days that we shot in Bombay. I was very very scared because I just wanted to make him so proud. Like I wanted him to like think that I'm doing a good job and deliver whatever like he expects out of me, because he put faith in me and he took me in this film.
आपने सारा सीन में रखा होगा.
I think he's so respected and senior that almost for me it was like initially very, you say your hi hellos and you smile and you laugh, but there wasn't too much, you think also his age gap is so much, and it's very formal, put it that way.
But like when we started shooting in London and I started seeing this side to him, it just became so easy. Work became so easy. I don't think I've ever been in such a peaceful state while shooting a movie.
Slowly what actually happened once we started shooting was I realized that he's got an amazing sense and an ability to see things and to see people, the simple things, not the complicated complexities of a person. He sees things for what they are.
I don't think there is another director who has this quality of simplicity in making a film. He is not overwhelmed by lights, by camera, by action, by location. मतलब यही है मेरी पिक्चर यार, इसकी आँख में है पिक्चर. I think उनको एक्टर्स की आँखों में पिक्चर दिखती है.
He sees love in the shot, it's fine for him. Yes, she sees emotion in the shot, tense if it's supposed to be a tense scene, or he just goes by, he sees something and he sees there's something there and he's okay with it,
Okay for me. Perfect. Very good. Very good.
एक हम सीन कर रहे थे मैं और कटरीना, तो जिसमें हमें गले मिलना है, तो डिस्कस होने लगा. एंड ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज आई लाइक पीपल टू टेल मी अगर सही नहीं है तो मैं उस तरह से करूँगा जिससे आप कंफर्टेबल हैं, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द स्मॉल थिंग कि कमर के नीचे पकड़ें या शोल्डर के ऊपर गले लगाएं. तो मैं थोड़ा बात कर रहा था, फिर उसने अभी थोड़ी सी बात की, तो यश जी क्या हो रहा है यार, हो क्या रहा है, हो क्या रहा है सब? यश जी कुछ नहीं, डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, गले मिलना डिस्कस करो तुम लोग यार, हैं? मतलब प्यार हो गया तो गले मिलने, गले क्या डिस्कस करो तुम यार? तो मुझे आके उन्होंने ये बोला कि यार तुम लोग गले मिलना डिस्कस कर रहे हो प्यार में यार. सो हिज एसेंस इज दैट कि गले मिला दो और प्यार जैसा मर्जी दिखा दो.
Credit. He's very impatient.
ये माहौल उनकी तमाम फिल्मों में मिलता है इस तरह का रोमांटिक, और यही फिल्में, वही उनकी खासियत है. इस वक्त मैं जब ये कह रहा हूँ कि मैं आखिर में आके चलिए एक फिल्म में शामिल हो गए, क्योंकि एज ए पोएट, एज ए राइटर, एनीबडी वुड लव टू बी इन दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ फिल्म.
छिचोरापन कभी नहीं होता, घटियापन नहीं होता, बदतमीजी नहीं होती. ये तीन, और प्यार में कभी एक्चुअली ऐसा होता नहीं है. जेन्युइनली सच्चे प्यार में ये नहीं होता. तो वो सब बातें उनके बड़ी क्लियर हैं कि तुम बिकिनी में कर लो ये सीन, कोई बात नहीं. तुम यार ऐसा करो, ये पहाड़ के ऊपर कर लो, अंडर वाटर कर लो, तुम्हें जहाँ करना है कर लो. लेकिन जो प्यार का जो एसेंस है वो हमेशा सेम रखते हैं.
मतलब उनके साथ मुझे ना एक बहुत बड़ा रिलीफ ये हुआ जानकर कि उनके लिए ड्राइविंग फोर्स इज द स्टोरी एंड द कैरेक्टर्स, विच फॉर मी एज एन एडिटर एंड एज इवन एज एन ऑडियंस, दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग फॉर मी. कि स्टोरी क्या है, कैरेक्टर्स कैसे बिहेव करते हैं, ऑर्गेनिक हैं या नहीं. बाकी जितनी भी टेक्निकल डेवलपमेंट हुई है या जो भी हुआ है, वो सब आई थिंक इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट बट नॉट द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग.
Now we have all these tools at our disposal which are like video assist and all that, which actually जब यश जी फिल्में बनाना जब उन्होंने शुरू किया था तो ये सब तो था ही नहीं.
Everyone used to tell me earlier, like, you know, like stories that Yash Chopra never looks at the monitor. Has to be like, then how does he how does he know what people are doing? Then I realized, Yash ji stands right next to the camera.
एक डायरेक्टर की ऐसी नज़र होती है कि वो कैमरा के बगल में खड़े रह के शॉट को असेस करते हैं, एंड ही looks at the performance and looks at everything that is going on just from that point of view.
मतलब कभी-कभी क्या होता है, the frame is set here, but Yash ji is watching everything, so he knows हाँ right गया था, body language भी सही थी. So that is like his specialty as a director.
For me, he had very clear decisions about everything, and so that helped a lot because of his experience. He would say straight away connect with anything modern or anything traditional. So it was really a joy working with him.
There was one scene that we were doing, something which should have just gone by in a second, and I got nervous. It was as simple as that. You could have given me a lecture on what the expression should have been in the shot, and I wouldn't have got it right because I was stuck. And Yashi was the only person to see that. He saw that immediately, and he came and he started laughing and making a joke, and he was saying, "Oh, Katrina's just doing this now because she's just trying to wind us up." And he made light of the whole situation, and it was only then that I was able to kind of, relax and get back into what I was supposed to be doing.
There's one sequence in the train, and I remember that very clearly, where she breaks into this whole striptease jig. And sir, I remember Yashji kept telling me, because when I was showing the striptease moves and everything, and Katrina was doing it, and she had to really come close, he's like, "I don't want anything vulgar in my film." I said, "Yes sir, I absolutely understand that and I respect that, I won't do it." He let us be, but he also had the reins in his hand.
He just cuts through all the clutter and jumps straight into what needs to be told. He can see through everything, and he can tell exactly what lies beyond everything. And I think that's what also translates in his cinema.
Yashi used to call me Supergirl on set. Whenever I used to come, like, "Oh, Supergirl, ready for the scene." Because we were shooting in some really, really challenging locations because of the terrain, that how it was. So he used to keep calling me Supergirl because we were, he just wanted to encourage me to kind of go down the mountains and come up. But genuinely, I didn't need that encouragement, because there is this man at that age doing everything that we all are doing and not even stopping to complain, doing it with such enthusiasm and such childlike spirit that none of us could complain about the difficulties that we might have experienced.
Actually, the youngest person on the set is Yash ji. मतलब मैं लॉबी में शायद 5 मिनट लेट आऊँगा, लेकिन वो सुबह की कॉल से 15 मिनट पहले यश जी पाए जाएंगे लॉबी में, गाड़ी में सबसे पहले वही बैठेंगे.